On this video, we will create a navigation bar. We will use the unordered list element or UL tag as the structure of navigation bar. Then we will turn the unordered list into a horizontal navigation bar by applying CSS styles into it. This is the structure of our page that contains one unordered list. We will apply CSS styles on this unordered list and turn it into a navigation bar. So let's start. In our Dreamweaver, we have these tags for our unordered list. We have the UL, LI, and href for our link. I set the href to be a dead link. So when we click this link, it will not take us anywhere. The reason why I added a link to each LI is for us to give a good structure for our navigation bar. To start applying styles to our unordered list, let's go to the head section of our page and write here the definition of our style. Let's start with our UL. We will assign a font face for our UL and set the size of this into 1 EM and the font family to Century Gothic. And then we will remove the padding and margin of the UL. So we can remove the padding by setting it to 0 and the margin by setting it to 0. And then we will add a background color, a dark background color. And then one last thing is to set the list style type into none. Let's save the changes and then let's reload the page. So there you go. Let's go back to our Dreamweaver and let's add some more CSS rules. This time let's target our LI. And then we will set our LI to float at the left side. So this will force our list item to float at the left side. So let's see the result. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so let's continue. So this time, let's try targeting our link. So we will state here that our A tag will be displayed as black without text decoration. So let's set this to none. Let's save the changes and then let's see the result. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, then let's add padding of around 15 pixels. Save the changes, go back to our browser, then reload. Okay, so there you go. Then let's continue. So let's add text color here, turn this to white, and then text align to center. We save the changes, go back to our browser, then let's reload. So it turns the text to white. Okay, so we'll not be able to see everything. To fix this, let's go back to our Dreamweaver and let's add here overflow hidden. Save and then go back to our browser, then reload. So let's try to change the background color of our list item every time we hover our mouse. Let's go back to our Dreamweaver and then at the bottom, we'll add here li hover. Then let's choose orange, press enter, save the changes, go back to the browser, reload. Then let's try hovering our mouse and there you go. Okay, then for the last step, we'll put the about list item at the right side. And to do this, we have to create a class for this link. So let's say important or let's say default. That is the name of the class. And then we will add style here and float it to the right. And then we will define the style for this class. Let's write here dot default. So we will turn the background color into green. Let's save the changes, go back to our browser, then reload. There you go. So we have now a nice looking navigation bar. For about list item, the hover does not work. So let's fix this. we can add here the A. So instead of targeting LI, we will target the A. Okay, so let's save the changes, go back to our browser, and then reload. Then let's see if we were able to correct the mistake. Okay, there you go. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next lectures.